Welcome to another video of DIY crafting, how we transform a wooden jar using low-cost materials. Watch to learn this tutorial. So first, we take 2 empty plastic containers, dot the size is accordingly our project. Cut off the edge container, one of them. Keep in mind that this will have to be cut close to the outer edges. It's become attaching part bottom of the second container, but there is still work to be done, so watch this tutorial till end. We will take about a dozen clothespins. Collect all these pins carefully and separate their springs from them. Set the separated springs aside. We have gathered about 20 for wooden sticks. Now install these wooden pins, one by one over an entire container. We will start with the edge of a plastic container, wooden sticks, and cord. The wooden sticks will be glued to this. String one by one with the help of glue, and keep a reasonable distance between each of them. Wow, this looks like wooden lace. Now we're going to apply it over the cut edge. Apply glue to the edges of the other container. And adjust the wide lace part inside it like this. Looks good, still some work to do. Tie a string tightly on top of it to strengthen its exterior and cut off the excess edges. Take 8 to 10 popsicle sticks and lay them flat on the ground like this. Using a round shape, draw a line over these sticks that is clearly visible. Cut these sticks according to the drawn mark. It would be much better if you use curved scissors to cut these sticks. Gently break their edges with the help of nail trimming. Read them back to the same round shape. Take 2 to 3 more sticks and glue them on top and stick them on top so that they increase their strength even more. With the help of a pointed object, make 2 holes inside them. Take special care of your hands and fingers while working to avoid injury. Fit a small handle on top of it. Now it is ready in the shape of a jar cover. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of coffee in water and apply its color on them. If you have no idea what color you will get, you can test it by applying it to a separate area. It dries very quickly as you apply it. You can also increase the amount of coffee to make it darker brown. Wow, it looks quite attractive. You should definitely tell me about it in the comments. Apply a shiny acrylic paint on it to get more better. It looks amazing. How did you like my crafting project? Be sure to like and subscribe to my video. This is definitely a great addition to your kitchen, and you can also store pickles in it. Thank you very much for watching our crafting project. Stay tuned for more ideas accordingly people needs in the next video.